Related to this video, I show you how to make $225 each day. So this is the payment I got yesterday. So you can, if you work here, you can pay like this for me. So what can you do? Respondent.io. Then click on here. After click on here, you got the first link. So this is the logo. You should remember this one. Then click on here. After that, you got the issue here. So now, what can you do for a participant? So click on for a participant. Then become a participant. Click on here. Then get start. Click on here. So researcher, I want to recruit the right audience for research studies. So researcher can recruit any person. So I want to, if you want to earn money from this site, so you have to fill up the form as a participant. So click on here. Then here, first name, last name, and your email address. Okay, and create account. You can do it very easily. On the other hand, you can do also continue with LinkedIn account. If you have a LinkedIn account, you click on here, it automatically sign up. You can sign up, continue with Facebook as well. In this site, they recruit the quality participant. So here some of them are working here. Over 3 million people are working in this site. You see, 3 million workers. This is a huge amount of work, and 4,000 work is coming here. So and each work is $75. You see, each work takes only 1 hour. So if you give the 3-hour time, you can make $225 each day. It's very cool, isn't it? Now if you see the about us option, I click in the company information. So what's the company? Here you see, this is the owner of this company, and what he said: we are a mission to facilitate meaningful conversation between researcher and participant, with deserve and unique participant from around the globe. At Respond, we believe that research participants are at the center of quality research. We should not conduct the research. If you cannot find the right participant can greatly improve research outcomes, leading to accurate, high-quality decision making. The stakes are high, and their target audience will build product and service that they are superior of their peers. So this site is very unique, and this site is very trustable. So if someone is a student, or if someone finding a work, online work or freelancer work, they can work in here. So I request anyone, if someone has a quality, they can participate here and make money. They not only make $225, they can earn money in this site in a month, maybe $5,000. It's a very, very big amount. So thank you very much. Bye bye.